Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, we are going to discuss how to calculate the area of a triangular knowing the 3 points or the three vertices. Like in this example, here we want to calculate the area of this triangular between those 3 points, which is 0 0 and 35 and 220, 112 and 56, and using determinant. So we want to use the determinant to calculate this area. The equation is area equal plus or negative half times the determinant. The determinant will be the first point in the first row, second point, the third point. It's not about order. I can assume that 0 0 is the first point, or as 35 is the first point, or this point is the first point. It's okay to assume whatever you want. So let's here start with 0 0. Here the second point will be with a different color, 3 5 and 220. The third point, which is 112 and 65. The third column will be the unity 1 1 1. So the area of this triangular is positive negative half times the determinant, and the determinant will form from in the first row the first point versus, in the second row the second point versus, and in the third row the third point versus, and in the third column the unity. We can calculate or evaluate this determinant using even repeating the first two columns, 0 35 112 and 0 220 and 56. The going down diagonal will be, of course, 0 0, and here 1 times 35 times 3 5 times 1 9 6, and as we said before, here 0 plus 0 plus, this is the main diagonal, minus the secondary diagonal, or the going up diagonal. The going up diagonal, this is the first going up, and this will be 0 and this will be 0. So we have 112 times 220. It will be 2, 4, 6, 4, 0 plus, as we said before, plus 0 plus 0. Of course, we don't need to write those down, but here to illustrate. And we have the positive and the negative half. Using the calculator, we will find the answer will be 11 and 340. 11, 340. If the example give us the coordinates given are measured in miles, so the area here will be mile square. Mile square. If it's measured by meter, so it will be meter square. If the example or the problem didn't talk about the units, so you will write down unit area. But as I said, if the coordinates in meter or measured by meter, so the area will be meter square or inch square or feet square and so on. So as a revision, we will write down the equation which is the area equal positive negative half times a determinant, and in this determinant we will easily put the first point coordinates, the second point coordinates, the third point coordinates, and in the third column we will write down the unity 1 1 1 and evaluate the determinant and multiplied the evaluation or the result by half, and of course the area should be positive. So if the determinant equal negative, so I'll multiply it by this negative to be positive at final, so the area must be positive. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.